All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create slanted text inside of Illustrator the easy way using built-in tools that allow you to edit the text whenever you want very quickly and easily. So sometimes when you're making a design or a piece of advertising or a fancy logo, you want the text to be slanted, and you don't just want to make it so that it's just at an angle, because that's not really slanted, that's just rotated. It's not very fancy looking. And a lot of people might be tempted to split up their words into individual letters and adjust them one at a time, and that is an option. I mean, going down to the individual object level with whatever you're working on, manually placing each piece is definitely a certain way to get a certain outcome in any editing program ever. But Illustrator actually has a tool for this that makes it so that you can quickly just click on the text and edit it whenever you want. And that is called the Shear tool, and in my case, it's stored underneath the Scale tool in my left-hand sidebar. And I want the Shear tool, and if I click on this piece of text right here, and then click on the Shear tool, there's going to be a little blue anchor down in the lower left-hand corner by default of this object that's denoted, kind of difficult to see in blue down here. Even when I zoom in, it's relative scale to my screen. But you can change where this little blue anchor point is wherever you want it before you start clicking and dragging. I'm going to leave it kind of down here in the lower left-hand corner, and then you can grab the other side or wherever you want, and you can click it up in the direction or down in the direction that you want your text to be slanted. So you can you can make it stretched if you want. You can make it all bulky, like it's freaking out and going, "Oh my gosh, what did you just do to Superman?" Or you can make it stretched out like, "Oh, I'm kind of tired and sleepy. I'm just going to lay down for a nap." And you can create a lot of really fun effects that way. But in this case, we want to slant that text. And the reason why this tool is nice as opposed to editing it manually is I can then click on this and be like, "Hello, world." And it'll keep that angle and it'll keep those settings, but it'll allow me to, at any time, re-edit that piece of text to whatever I want it to. So that's been a quick little tutorial on how to use the Shear tool inside of Adobe Illustrator to create slanted text quickly that's editable. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.